Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Behringer HPM1000 BK multi-purpose headphones. There's an image of the headphones right on top of the box. As you can see, it comes with this very thick headband along with pretty large ear cuffs with soft padded ear cushions as well. And let's quickly take a look. Actually, there's very little information on this box, so let's just open this up and show you what's inside. Actually, yeah, very little information, mostly manufacturer information. I'll open this box and show you what's inside. This is what you will find inside the box. Let's quickly take a look. This particular headphone comes with extendable headbands. As you can see, this extends quite a bit. However, there are no metallic components here. This is made out of ABS plastic mostly. All of it, even the chassis is made out of ABS plastic. You have to press this button down to squeeze it in, I think. Okay, there you go, yeah. Ear cups actually does not have any swivel on it. It's a fixed ear cup, but the ear cups are pretty large and has this soft ear cushion on them. Now let's come to the headband. This headband has this leatherette cover on top. It has Behringer written on it, as you can see. This also comes with a padded cushion underneath. Yeah, that's more or less it. I will take a look at the cable now. This is what the cable looks like. This is at least a meter long cable. This is almost a meter long cable and comes with this 6.3mm adapter, which when you pull it out you will notice a 3.5mm plug as well. So this you can attach to a sound recording device or a sound mixing device should you have one. I will give this headphone a test run with my smartphone. For that I will need the 3.5mm plug, as you can see. So let's quickly do that. There's my smartphone. I will plug this in. Now it's time to listen to some music. It works absolutely fine, and this is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Behringer HPM1000 BK multi-purpose headphones. Thank you for watching.